Digong, send him back home to the Philippines. We love you, Tatay Digong. We love you, VP Sara. It was not legal the way he was sent to Hague. It was not the right process to do it. Right. And thousands of the Filipinos here in New York City support that the reason why he was sent to ICC was not just. It's not the right due process.
Katong nidagan si Sara, I wrote a song for Sara. Katong mudagan si Bongo og si kuan nga girumor nga si Bongo og si Digong, I wrote a song too. Karon nga mayor si Digong, I wrote a song for Digong too. And then karon nga nahumana nga ako song, wala na ang mayor sa Davao, sakit kaayo. Sakit kaayo sa amo nga gikidnap si Duterte.
We, the millions of the Filipino voters, we voted for him because we are against the CPP, NDF, we're against the NPA, the drug addicts, the criminals, the narco politicians, and traditional politicians. We love his tough and non-nonsense leadership style. He is loyal to every Filipinos. He served with dedication and protected us. We felt it in our daily lives. We asked ICC to free ex-President Duterte because you kidnapped him. You cannot replace our Philippine National Court because we have a functioning Supreme Court. Send him back to the Philippines the soonest possible time.
Yon, okay.
I think we need an answer from COMELEC. Sila dapat ang mutubag-ana kung ano ang handling ato mga equipment para sa kuan, para sa election ingon nato. Supposedly naagi na proper, no? So ang murag ang perception magud nato ato sa ilang gibuhat dili tama. Kay labi na nabutang sa pribadong property. So supposedly ang gobyerno and COMELEC should be aware of everything that's happening and they should answer to that kung unsa man na ang nakita nato karon ang observation sa public. So I think crucial kayo nga makatubag sila ani nga issue. But they have to justify. They have to justify. They have to kailangan nila mapakita kung bakit nila ginawa yun. Yun ang mahalaga. So, what could be their purpose kung bakit nila ginawa yun. Kailangan yung sagot nila is should be acceptable to the public, to those who are asking. Pag masagot nila na maayos, then okay na yun.
Okay, sir, thank you. Thank you.